Hello friends, welcome to the video number 37 for the Python 3 series. And well, this video, I thought it was gonna be short, but I just made the video in Spanish and it took me about 9 minutes. But well, I think it's important to make some kind of a review of some of the common mistakes that we can make when we are beginning in programming, like myself. And honestly, I think I have made the 7 of the mistakes that I am gonna show you here. For what I have seen in other videos or read in some books, um, looks like, well, they are actually very common. So, well, for all of you that, like me, are learning and starting to program, and especially in Python, um, well, again, this will be some kind of a review. And I think if you have seen my other videos, you have seen me uh, make probably all of them in my previous videos. So, well, here it is. First error or mistake that we're gonna cover is when you have typos in your variable names. Um, well, if you don't, for those that don't remember, if you want to comment a block, you can do Alt 3. Well, if your keyboard is in Spanish, sorry, in English, Alt 3 and Alt 4, and you can uncomment. Right, and I think here you have the here, right, in case you don't remember. Okay, so Alt 3, Alt 4. So if I try to run this, then I get this error saying that my variable is not defined. And well, again, I think I have some kind of like a light case of dyslexia or something like that, and I tend to mix or invert numbers or letters. And in this case, well, I am missing one A, so maybe something common. I think the easiest way to avoid this is just double click on your variable, do a Control C to copy, Control V to paste it, and forget about typos. Okay, and now it should work fine. Now let's comment this, uncomment the next one. So forgetting closed or closing the parentheses, right? I get an unexpected end of file while parsing. This may be a little bit more difficult to find because, well, you see, it takes me again to the end of the file. So I gotta search a little bit until I find, oh, okay, here I forgot to close this parenthesis. So now it should run without problems. Next one, I am not closing my string here. I forgot my double quotes. Now I get an end of line while scanning the string literal. So well, this is a little bit easier. It actually takes me to the place where the error is. So I just need to close. Whoops, wrong key. And well, there it is. Now indentation mistakes. Here, of course, is probably very obvious. But when you are handling a larger program, you have several levels of indentation, and you have a lot of code in your screen, and probably even a smaller case. It may be not as easy as in here to find when you did 3, 4, or 5 spaces. Some of the recommendations that I have seen is that you avoid using the tab and stick to use 4 space bars. Now, to be honest, I tend to use a lot the tab, and so far, I don't think I have actually have problems of indentation when I am using the tab. But on the contrary, when I started using the spacebar, it was a little bit harder for me to keep track. Okay, this is 3, 4, or 5, or then maybe it's 7, 8, or 9, right? When you are in a second level of indentation, and so on. So, but well, again, this may be not that hard because Python is gonna help us, and it's gonna tell us, okay, on this unexpected indent, So okay, I put it an extra, and well, I just remove it, and there it is. Now the next one, forget to close a block with the colon, right? You remember we need to put a colon in any block for, while, if, definitions also for our functions. So if you try to run this, uh, invalid syntax, oh there it is, I just forgot the colon. And actually remember, if you are here and you click enter, you're gonna be taken to the same level of indentation. So that's a hint that you forgot something, you did something wrong. If you are making a block, you gotta put the colon, and you should get your automatic indentation. So now it should work without problem. There it is. Now, um, having some mistakes when you are interpreting the range, right? When you have to create values. So here, let's try to create a range from 1 to 5. Now, this is gonna give us 5 iterations. So let's just run this. And well, in the same case like this, I get 5 numbers. So if I just wanna, let's say, print something, I don't know, any other thing like a string, for example, 5 times. So well, this is gonna do the trick. But if I want to do something like counting or probably some arithmetic with the numbers generated in the range, I'm gonna have problems because, well, you can see it goes from 0 to 4. So remember that the range starts at 0, and it's not gonna include the number that you put in here. So there is a couple of things we can do. One, in this case, again, I'm not gonna do any arithmetic. Probably I just wanna count or use this as a numeration, so I can get away with this easy fix. Just add 1, and that's it, 1 to 5. Or the other thing, if I'm gonna be using the numbers for something else, I can say, remember, start at 1. And well, remember that Python is gonna help you. It's gonna tell you, okay, you can give me the stop, or start, stop, and an optional step. So okay, start at 1, stop at 6, right? Because 5 is not gonna be included. This number is not gonna be included. So I'm gonna put 6, so you stop at 5. And well, I'm not gonna put the step because it will automatically do it one by one. Yeah. Again, close your block with the colon, and there it is. And well, of course, if you want to do like go up to 10, this is gonna be up to 9 only, and in the steps of 2, there it is. Okay. And well, the final one, but I'm not gonna cover here because I already made a whole video about this, is making mistakes when you are handling variable scopes, right? So if you didn't saw video number 33, I recommend that you go there, watch video number 33, and you will learn a little bit more about the variable scope. Okay. So well, that's it. The 7 most common mistakes, I think, uh, for um, for programming, or for beginners in programming. And well, as always, I hope that you found this video useful. Let's leave the video right here. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks all of you for watching, and well, I hope to see you on the next video.